How do I select elements of an array given condition? Suppose I have a numpy y array x equals 5, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, y equals f, o, o, b, r. I want to select the elements in y corresponding to elements in x that are greater than 1 and less than 5. I tried. But this doesn't work. How would I do this?
Your expression works if you add parentheses. IMOOP does not actually want np.bitwise_n, aka and, but actually wants np.logical_n, because they are comparing logical values such as true and false. See this so post on logical versus bitwise to see the difference. An equivalent way to do this is with np.all, by setting the axis argument appropriately. By the numbers. So using np.all is slower, but and logical_n are about the same.
Add one detail to at j.f. Sebastian's and at Mark Mikovsky's answers. If one wants to get the corresponding indices, rather than the actual values of array, the following code will do. For satisfying multiple, all, conditions. For satisfying multiple, or, conditions.
Actually, I would do it this way. L1 is the index list of elements satisfying condition 1 wink with a frown. Maybe you can use sumList.index, condition 1, or np.where, condition 1, to get L1. Similarly, you get L2, a list of elements satisfying condition 2. Then you find intersection using intersect, L1, L2. You can also find intersection of multiple lists if you get multiple conditions to satisfy. Then you can apply index in any other array, for example, x.
이런 것을 못 참, 일을 이루어 견뎌보았니?